You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A South African traditional dish. For more names of different dishes and food, including from South Africa, but also France, Italian, etc., make sure to stay tuned. It literally means a small pot food. So it's a dish that's prepared outdoors, and the pronunciation is easy, but you have to know about it. Potjiekos, okay? So in short, it's often said as poiki, and then you add kos, potjiekos, with a stress on the first syllable. Potjiekos, potjiekos is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.